how we protect the client's home. It's a little Dexter-like. Come see. Hello, gorgeous friends. Welcome back. Today, we are going to do a design install together. And actually, you're going to get to walk through some of the process with us. You'll meet my husband, Scott, for those new friends here. He is my master carpenter on our Free Spirit Designs team. And you'll also get to meet Caden, who is learning so much from Scott, and he's doing an amazing job. Who else will you get to meet? Probably Tandy. Yes, Tandy is actually my Free Spirit Designs administrator, but she's an amazing painter. That's actually how she first started working for my company, was helping with interior painting. And my name is Victoria, for those new friends here. I am an interior designer for a living. I am a mom of 5 children with a blended family of 7, but I am definitely a free spirit. I love Jesus. I love being creative. There's so many things about me, and I would love for you to subscribe and hang out with me every Thursday, and we can get to know each other better. So today, you're going to, like I said, you're going to see some of the tear out. You're going to see the building of a bathroom. It's a complete bathroom renovation today. Total gut job. Total gut job. You guys remember Michelle? Her and her daughter have been subscribers and such supporters of Free Spirit Bundle, and now she's hired Free Spirit Designs to renovate the bathroom.
Yes,
it's so exciting. So you guys didn't know at Free Spirit that we have Dexter rooms like this, did you? This is Scott and Caden laying floor. You guys remember the before? So bad. There was wallpaper, and that was a tub over there. How much concrete, Scott, did you have to put?
600. There's like, 2,400 pounds of cement went in that hole.
So if you guys remember, this is where the shower was, and this is where the new shower will also be, but all of this is getting tiled, and a new beautiful tub will go in. It's so wild to see all that concrete filled in. What has your experience been like?
Heavenly.
Okay, yay.
Starting from coming in and just taking care of all the little details to protect the floor, put up the visqueen or the plastic that we call the Dexter room.
The Dexter room. Free Spirit has a Dexter room.
Because literally, as they've done every piece of this, no dust or minimal dust. Like so little that even the ladies that we have come in to help with the house.
With cleaning?
Literally, like, I ran my hand and I'm like, look, and she went, oh, like shocked that
she
there
was probably like dreading.
Oh my gosh.
What are you doing?
Scott and Caden have been dreams every day. Just they come in, they work. They're just so efficient. Yeah, so like working with Victoria and Tandy and the billing, like the whole team is just exceptional, which is why we wanted you in the first place. I don't know if you want to pan to, like,
let's show
items have shown up. They get here.
Beautiful. This is really fabulous, actually. The
all the
dividers
doors have them.
Dividers. Isn't there electric in here?
Yes.
Look at this. So fancy. And soft clothes. Yeah, they filled all this with concrete. There was terrible wallpaper on the walls.
There it is right there.
Oh, there it is.
Wow.
So rather than taking the wallpaper down, we took the walls down and gave her all new walls.
Literally, because we almost actually broke up over that. When I used to do projects with Scott and we had to tear down wallpaper, Caden, I'm not kidding, it was terrible, and we will never ever do that again.
It wasn't terrible.
Yes, it was. You were terrible.
You gotta tell me where you want it. Is relation to that or that? I could build. Look, I could build a little small box. Like I could build a small box right at the peak.
Oh, you can? I would much prefer that. So what I told the client was that she would have to have a hook, and like we kind of swag it, which is not my preference.
Swag.
We don't have to swag because of my husband.
Here.
Okay, babe, then I would like it. Okay, well then I want the light. I want the light centered over the middle of the tub. Honey, that's the template of the tub. You're so good. What? Fun.
Yeah. There you go, right there.
So the light is gonna be like right here.
Yeah.
Here is some progress for you guys. Look at this. Teamwork. Scott and Caden are killing it with tile. And we already have shower fixtures in. And this is where the glass is going, and they already have come to measure for that, so that can go in. And the floor needs to be grouted. Then this is where the vanities are going, and yeah.
Definitely closer than when we started.
I thought this was a really great piece to go next to her tub so that when she's in the tub, she has a place to put drink. Or I'm gonna also light a candle here, put her bath salts here for her. But I just thought this was kind of a necessity in the space to have a little side table at the bathtub. I found all of these little accessory details at Home Goods and Target. First stop, Home Goods. All right, my friends. Home Goods was a success, but not a total success. So we are headed into Target. You know, a lot of times I find client like soap pumps, because I feel like if you're gonna do your bathroom, you can't have a plastic soap pump. And I always find that in Home Goods. Nothing today. I mean, they had some, of course, but nothing that I loved for this project. So hopefully Target will have that. Target was also a success. I love being able to take everyday Epsom salt, which you could put here, but that's not very attractive. So we're gonna put it in a glass canister instead, which will immediately elevate the very functional. I did find this at Target, which I thought was really great. Hang on the bathtub. This can hang on the side. It's so beautiful. I'm all about using white in a bathroom because of the luxury and the functionality of being able to throw it in the washer with bleach. This candle is amazing. It's called Awaken with apple, jasmine, sage, and sandalwood. This beauty, you guys, is coming to spring sip and shop. Whenever I can bring real life into a space, that is what I do. So I shopped Free Spirit Designs, Free Spirit Bundle, and got these two fabulous pots from the Free Spirit shop. You can find this guy on Build Your Own Bundle, actually. So even though this fiddle fig came in this pot, I found this pot for my client that has drainage, you guys. Like, it's like fail proof for those friends that don't have a green thumb. You can find this at Home Depot, as well as the plant. So I'm really excited about that. And I just got these little guys, Fluffy Ruffle Fern. He's so fun. Black Rabbit's Foot Fern. I really loved the texture of both of these. Bringing life into your home is so important, you guys. And if you don't feel good about real, then bring it in through faux. And you see why I had to come outside for this. Love this little fern. You guys, look what just got hung while I was outside planting plants. And my husband paid me a really big compliment. But he was like, honey, you nailed the mirrors. And I'm so happy. You can see Scott hanging the other mirror.
Look at that.
Honey,
It's
it's
big.
so good. That's why I decided to go so large with the mirror, is because you can see, we talked about hanging sconces and we talked about doing a light above like a standard bathroom. But when there's so much great natural light and the can lights in here, it wasn't necessary. So I was like, let's make a statement with a huge, beautiful mirror. And I'm so happy that we did.
Side to side or up and down, never in swirly motion.
For real, that's what I did. Swirlies. Honey! Show you my mirror, how bad it is.
Scott's mirror.
Scott's mirror is perfect. Honey, can you do that one too?
No.
Why?
There was a tutorial.
I was so excited when I found these today at HomeGoods because you can use these little guys for water at your sink, or it's a fancy way to put your mouthwash. So I'm not going to fill it with water or mouthwash since that's kind of a personal thing, right? Someone's mouthwash and that's what they use, but I really love that they had two. So I could give each of them. And actually Michelle has, because she's been a subscriber since the beginning. There's more, I see Free Spirit over here. Free Spirit bundle, Free Spirit, Free Spirit, Free Spirit, Free Spirit. I see Free Spirit in there.
If you swing around,
Free Spirit.
Oh,
It's
Free
so
Spirit.
fun. I love it so much.
If you look at my candles in the other room, Free
Yes.
Spirit. Like there's Free Spirit throughout this home. Free Spirit.
So would you recommend Free Spirit bundle?
Billion%, because it's like Christmas 4 times a year.
Yes.
Seriously, like it's the most. Besides the fact that everything comes so beautifully wrapped, from the moment that you see the little handwritten note, everything inside is just. It's not just like here's your boxes of stuff. Go have a great day. It's literally each one looks like a little present,
Yes.
and so it's its own little surprise. They're just everything is usable. Everything has like its little piece. So
Awesome.
yeah, totally do it. Do it.
And one of these was in, not this exact one, but a similar idea was in a past bundle. And if you're a petite subscriber, stay tuned for a really fabulous one at some point. Our beautiful plants are going to put in place. There you go, Scott. He's so good. Okay, we already saw how we can take an everyday item like mouthwash and make it beautiful in a beautiful decanter. And you can take everyday ugly tissues and make them beautiful in this vessel. So this is a past bundle vessel that Michelle already had, but they are available right now in Build Your Own Bundle. You literally open the package, put them in just like that, and you have a beautiful tissue box. I love hers. They're all different and one of a kind. Then we're going to take this gorgeous vintage-inspired glass box that was also a past bundle item. Sold out. I brought it back. So you can also purchase this right now in Build Your Own Bundle, as well as the Muriel pots. We have all this fun little collection, and we're going to put every day, because it has the divider, I love that about it, we're going to put these cotton ovals, because as women, we all use these, or maybe you don't. So I really think it's so important with everyday functional things, guys, like Q-tips, tissues, the things that we always use. Why not make them more special by putting them in a beautiful vessel? Right? So cute. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful master bathroom renovation. And as always, thank you for being here. We cannot have this channel without you. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so that every Thursday you can be reminded of our new video. And I would love to hear in the comments below, what do you think in this master bath? What made the biggest impact for you? Maybe what's your favorite? Like, I love the mirrors in the bathtub, but I really love all of it. The tile, like all of it. But tell me in the comments. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys. Have a great weekend, and we will see you next Thursday.